Explain my login and registration Android app now, which consists of three activities: main activity, which is login, register activity, and welcome activity. I'll start with main activity first. The main activity is the entry point of the app. It contains two input fields, username and password. I'll show you by running the app. When the user click login button, the login method is called. Like when user will click on login, it will use the login method. It will call the login method. Inside this method, the entered username is to fetch the store password from shared preference. I'll show you how. Like first I have done, like I will merge, or we can say connect the XML file with the Java file over here. This is the views which I have done, and in this get shared preference where the user data is been stored. And this is also the same in which button submit login. I will set the set on click listener, which activates the login method or function. In this link register account, when this button is clicked or this is clicked on register this link, it will set the click listener and start a new activity, or it will redirect me to register activity, which I will show you afterwards. So in login, I have two data to take. One is username and another is password. So I will get the text, make it to string and trim it, and I'll save the password from it. See over here. And if the saved password is null, then it will show the message user not found, which length is very short. And if password is null is equal to password, then it will also show incorrect password, which is not equals to the original password. Now it will it will send me, if the password is correct, then it will send me to the welcome activity where my username will be showed. Now I'll show you my another activity, which is the register activity. When user will click on this register button, he will get, or she will get redirect to it. So first, as always, I have declared all my variables over here, and in this step I have connected my UI with backend, and here I have stored my data. Then over here, like I'll show you my register activity how it looks. So this is my register activity, which has full name, the gender selection, radio buttons, and all other data like passwords and everything. So I have set it like here over here. There is a gender selection listener, which listens to the radio group buttons and set the values and store it in radio buttons, like which button is selected. And if the button is null, then it will select the option gender others, input custom gender, and set visibility to visible, or otherwise view will be gone. Now if the button register is clicked, then it will do the register user method. Now what is the register user method? It will do one thing. If the input full name and everything is empty, then it will, if anything is empty from this all the data, then it will show all field must be filled. Like over here everything is empty, so it will show that why everything is empty. Like if I click on register, then it will show that why everything is empty. See, all field must be filled. And over here, like gender options, they can select input main. If it's null, then get text and everything. Password does not match condition, then it will return to this if condition. My string handler, and a radio button selection, like what will be selected, gender will be selected, what gender, and everything is stored over here and implemented over here. This is the main activity, not the by name, but it's the very main activity to log in or register any user. Now my third activity is welcome activity. Now how the welcome activity looks, it only shows the data which the user set on register activity and which he uses on the login activity. It will show the full name, the gender and year of birth over there, and it will finish our app explanation. Thank you.